Shooting is crazy. Let's give a moment of silence real quick. But like I was saying, it's crazy to me. The woman's protecting her son from getting shot, but she ended up getting shot herself. I got the video pulled up right here on my phone, but I'm about to play it real quick for you.
Oh my God. I am so scared. I don't know what to do. I'm so scared.
Fuck, they shooting for real in El Central. They shooting in El Central College downtown. Fuck. Guys. Show me your hands. Show me your hands. My hands are good, sir. I'm a security, sir. Fuck.
Okay. Okay. Why can't they shoot the guy? Why?
I don't know. It's like they can't apprehend him. I don't know. Yes, sir.
Yes. Well,
We right here, sir.
there's like 20 police guys, but they keep shooting. So I don't know if it's more than one person. I wonder if it's more than one.
I think it's just one person. It sounds like they got a rifle. So it sounds like.
A rifle?
Or a semi-automatic pistol.
Oh.
And they just letting it go.
Why haven't they shot him to put it to shoot?
I don't know. They need to hurry and shoot his ass because he's just running loose.
He's just running loose.
Fuck.
Oh my God.
But yeah, that's the video. I mean, that joint's crazy. I don't know what people's going through right now. You know how every day, somebody end up getting killed. Thank God it's not me or you guys that's dying, cause somebody could be dying right now. Somebody born right now. Somebody dying right now. All I gotta say is, it's crazy right now. I mean, God bless her soul. God bless her son, protecting her. But I gotta tell y'all this though. God told her to do this. If it wasn't for God, what would we be? Some of y'all may be religious and stuff. I'm just saying, but at the end of the day, you always have to do what you have to do. Protect your kids first. That's crazy, man. It's real crazy. That was me. I do the same thing. Protect my kids first. Instead of myself. That's the kind of person I am. A woman, my kids, or everybody. That's who I am. Young Keno, well, rest in peace, Dallas.